back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see XV 2.0 liter engine, all-wheel drive, boxer engine, made in Japan, and one of the important feature which is eyesight. So let's begin, but before starting, please like and subscribe. Subaru Xv 2.0 liter. Well, this is the car Subaru Xv 2.0 liter eyesight with eyesight. Eyesight is here. You look at this two eyes in front of the mirror. This is called eyesight. So this is very good feature in Subaru and lovely. This 2021 model, the grille, super front camera is also there. Excellent color, excellent look, and really superb light. Yeah, LED lights, which looks very amazing from the front. This XV, and it also has a fog lamp. One of the good thing what I like about Subaru is all car are made in Japan and has a boxer engine. Boxer engine has good stability on the road, and look at the mileage. Wow, excellent mileage, 15.5 liter, and Subaru Xv 2.0 liter, four-wheel drive. So let's go inside and see. Wow, what a look. Look at the steering, very sporty steering, and it has got all the feature. This is the eyesight function. From here it works. From here you can maintain the distance, and you can on this from here and just set the speed, and the cruise will work automatically. Sport drive and normal drive also you can set. Oh wow, look at the screen, how big the screen this time the Subaru has provided. And it also has X mode. Wow, so for off-road driving this is a really superb car, and I would definitely recommend this car for the mid-size segment. The pricing, the quality, the comfort, everything. And there is a blind spot too. You can on and off also. Very good. So look at this thread, double color. It looks very sporty look it gives. This is the interior. Wow, let us see from the side how it looks. Excellent rim design, and the tire size is, I believe it is 18 or R18. Yeah, correct. Tire size is R18. So in this category the ground clearance also good. Let us look at from the back side how it is. Wow, excellent. 2021 model XV looks superb from the back side. Let's this also has back camera. Let's open and see. Wow, excellent boot space, and let us see from here how it looks. Wow, big screen, looks very amazing. This is a Subaru Xv 2021 model. Superb. Anybody is planning to buy a car, like if he is interested in Japanese, this is a very strong all-wheel drive in this category, because the good mileage, compact SUV, and value for money car. And let us see this. Keyless entry is there. Touch and you can open. Very good. And see from this side. Wow, excellent. Oh my god, what a big screen it is. So you connect your mobile also, it will work, other functions. Look at this side, and look at this side how it is. Wow. And really I like Subaru Xv a lot. The pricing, the quality, and the style, the safety, all-wheel drive, eyesight. I mean, I believe that it's gonna be zero zero accidental car in future. Look at the feature and look at the style. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.